The past simple tense describes actions completed in the past. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding it. Walk becomes walked in the past simple. Irregular verbs have unique past forms. Go becomes went in the past simple. Have changes to had in the past simple. Questions in past simple use did before the subject. Did you see the movie? Is a past simple question. Negative sentences use did not or didn't. I didn't like the book is a past simple negative sentence. Time expressions like yesterday indicate past simple. She visited her grandmother yesterday uses past simple. The past simple is used for actions at a specific time. Stories often use the past simple for sequential events. Practice with regular and irregular verbs improves past simple skills.